All right, are you ready for these tandoori chicken bites? Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, so delicious, and unfortunately, you are gonna have to share. I made these using the Tefal Easy Fry and Grill Flex Cook extra large air fryer, and let me show you how easy it is to make. You're gonna start off with your chicken marinade. You've got yogurt, garlic, ginger, a ton of spices, oil, and coriander. And then you're gonna let your chicken sit and marinate for a bit while you get the potatoes ready. You're gonna chop up your potatoes into wedges, add your spices, give that a nice coat with olive oil. And the beauty of this air fryer is you can separate it and cook two things at once. You're gonna set it for the potatoes first because they'll take longer, and then you're gonna add in the chicken. And it's as simple as that. It's gonna beep when it wants you to flip it over, and just look at how crispy and delicious these turn out. My favorite way to serve it up is with some yogurt and green chutney. Put the chicken on one side, the potatoes on the other. I cannot wait for you to give this a try. So delicious. I hope you enjoy.